Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add subtitles to your videos automatically for free using veed.io. First, open your browser and go to veed.io. On the home page, click on Create Project and then upload your video file. Once the video is uploaded, you'll see the editing workspace. Now look at the left-hand menu and select Subtitles. Here you'll find the option for Auto Subtitle. Choose the language of your video and then click on Start. VEED will process the audio and generate subtitles for your video automatically. Once the subtitles appear, you can edit any words if needed and adjust the timing so they sync perfectly with your audio. When you're happy with the result, click on Export to save your video with subtitles included. And that's it. Your video now has free automatic subtitles added in just a few clicks. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.